Hey everybody!
Hey.
We are back again with another box for you guys. It's a whole new box for our channel. It is called the Delightful Desk. For those who don't know, the Delightful Desk came up on my Instagram one day, and so I decided to try it out. Since a lot of you guys are now working from home, you weren't prepared for that and weren't set up for that. I'm lucky enough that I worked from home before COVID-19, so I kind of had everything set up. But now you're kind of realizing all the stuff that your job had that you didn't. So the Delightful Desk is full of chic office supplies, tech gadgets, and tools to make your workday as delightful as possible. You can pay month to month, or you can prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. And each month the box is shipped on the 15th, full of goodies. So first, let's go to the price breakdown. For month to month, it's $48.50 per box. For 3 months, it's $145.50, which still equates to $48.50 per box. For 6 months, it's $291, which still equates to $48.50 per box. And for 12 months, it's $533.50, which is the one time you get one box for free. So the only time you save money is if you get the annual subscription.
And you just saving one
box.
of 12 boxes.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Let's open it. Let's see what's in
yeah,
it.
all right, cool. So it's a small box.
For 48 bucks. This is the box that you get.
Yeah. So I guess it's just gonna be like little desk stuff. So let's see.
Sorry, she just backed off because I'm holding a knife. Because when we unbox, we really try to unbox for you guys. All right, so let's open this up and see if it's worth $48.50. Because we got 3 months.
Okay. All right. So first thing, we just have a little pink pouch here.
So it's a pencil pouch. Now you can organize your pen pals, your favorite. Now all your favorite pen pals can commute to work in style with this fully lined pencil pouch. Isn't implements only. It keeps it all cozy from lipstick to keys, sturdy cotton vinyl canvas, up to poking while matching zipper pulls and keeps everything safe. And this is worth $13, or valued at $13.
Okay. A little pencil pouch. Okay, and next we have the transparent sticky notes. So they're sticky notes, but transparent. That's cute. That's cute.
Use it on or lay it on a favorite rainbow. So that's valued at $6.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Next we have large binder clips.
Yeah.
So
this is valued at $6 for large binder clips, and they're very cute. They have little patterns on them, and very pretty.
all right. Then we have. Maybe it's a little. Thank. Okay. Well, it comes in this, and it reads "Thank you." But let me see what it is. Oh, so it's literally little thank you cards with envelopes. So how many are in here? Probably
it's a set of 8.
Okay.
And they're valued at $15.
Let me just try to get one of these envelopes out. Okay. So yeah, just little thank you cards. Okay. And we have one more item here in the box. And let's see. This is a pencil cup.
Yeah.
So has a little wooden divider there. It's like a baby pink. It's I don't know that material, but that material, this material.
Yeah, so it's like a metallic material.
Yeah.
And that is valued at $12. So let me do the math here. So we have $15 plus $13 plus $12 plus $6. Plus $6. So the box total comes up to $52. So if you bought this box at 58, now 48.50, you only save like $4 by buying the box.
So how do you feel about it?
Underwhelmed. No shade to the people who made the box, but you would at least expect maybe a $70 value for $48.
Right. Maybe we done been so spoiled with the
because we've had some duds.
Fun
We had some duds.
That's true.
We've had duds, but it's like the candy one, that was kind of a dud. But it's the thing that this isn't really that special.
Yeah. Why do I need thank you cards working from home?
Right, and the fact is, I can order this from Shutterfly for cheaper.
Yeah, I don't need both of these working from home. They're both going to hold my pencils, which I probably don't even use a pen or pencil from home. Or, and
this, but I haven't used a pencil pouch since high school. Yeah. This will end up becoming a makeup bag, and most makeup containers can't hold anything in this.
Elementary school. Yeah.
And it's like, well, for high school for me, because in high school we're still using Trapper Keepers. But that's just putting the date on me. But even if I use this as a makeup bag, and it's nice that it's lined and everything, the most it's going to be able to hold is mascara, lipstick. It mostly won't hold probably most of your blushes or your foundations. It's too small.
Yeah. These were cute. This was the only thing I really liked, but I can get these for $1.
Do I really need something that's transparent?
Just to be cute, I guess. And then the large binder clips. It's just random. You can get.
I would just, if it saves me money, because the binder clips were how much? The binder clips were $6. If you've ever been to Staples and gotten large binder clips, you can probably get 30
a whole pack for that
price, and they're all large binder clips. They're just black. And really, in an office setting, you don't need to be like super cutesy, especially with binder clips. Especially when you know that those binder clips most likely end up in the trash.
See, my thing about a box is it needs to be, number one, like you said, value much higher than,
Yeah, at least $25
I'm saving $4 for stuff that I may or may not like. That's crazy to me.
Right. If I'm paying $48 for a box, I expect $75 in value.
Yeah, true. And then it's just, these are things that if I wanted to spend $50 on office desk supplies, I can go to Amazon or wherever, and I can get exactly what I want for $50 or less or whatever. So to get a bunch of stuff you probably don't even want, maybe you like one thing, two things.
And this reminds me a lot of pink taxing.
Not worth it.
It's not what they call pink taxing. When they put pink on something, they charge more for it because women are going to typically buy it. Like if you take a razor, if you compare a woman's razor to a man's razor, they're exactly the same razors, just different colors, but the female razor would be $2 more.
Oh, I didn't know this.
Yes.
I actually despise the color pink.
Same.
So y'all, you won't get me.
Same.
You won't get me. I don't really mess with pink.
But yeah, they do that to a lot of women products a lot. They'll sit there and it'll be the exact same thing as a men's product, but because they make it like pink or purple or whatever or some neon color, and they stamp for women on it, it's $2 more. This to me feels like pink taxing. Like pink.
I'll be trying to pink tax it.
Pink. Like honestly, I've used a coffee cup at my job.
Yeah, you know what would have been nice? A coffee mug, a cute little notepad, a cute little mouse pad. If y'all need some ideas, let me know.
Ergonomically designed mouse pad. Like that would have been really nice in this box.
Yeah. Or like a little. What's that little thing called?
Yeah, it's ergonomic. It's that little soft cushion thing.
Oh, I didn't know.
That's what it is.
Oh, that's what she was talking about.
That in a box would have been great. Because it's something that everybody uses. Honestly, I wouldn't have minded a jewelry stand. Yeah. Because if I wear watches and I type all day, at some point that watch or that bracelet comes off.
That's true.
And then it gets knocked off. Earring stands. I can't tell you how many times I had to take off my earring while talking on a phone call because my thing was stabbing me in the side of my head.
Yeah.
You know, things like that. Even coat hangers, because if you work in a cubicle, you don't have a coat hanger for your cubicle, so you end up having to put your coat on your desk, and then your chair falls over when you get up. So everybody in the office thinks you fell down and hurt yourself. So then you have to pick your chair up. So I'm fine, and so you end up buying things for your office to make it more comfortable, and so you can get rid of all those things. Honestly, I wouldn't mind having some cable ties in here for all the cables you have to have at your desk.
Yeah,
Like
true.
you're telling me that you're offering me tech gadgets. I don't see anything in here for tech.
Oh, that's what they talking about?
They're talking about always tech and accessories, and I don't see one thing in here that's tech.
No, it ain't. You ain't. Nope, it ain't. Yeah, all that stuff is unnecessary, and it's
There's cheaper
it's
versions
honestly
of it online.
School age.
Right. This is something I would give to my niece,
Yeah.
not a grown woman working in the office.
Yeah. So
if you disagree with us, let us know. But this one was a fail, and unfortunately, we got 2 more coming. Maybe they'll get better next time.
You can't cancel them?
Girl, they already got the money. Already prepaid. So we're going to give them 2 more tries to get better. But now I've learned, I'm just going to go with the one. Now that I saw the price breakdown, I need to do price breakdown when I pick the box. So now that I saw it, I didn't save any money by getting extra.
And they didn't give you no previews of what was in the box.
They have those little splashy pictures online.
Okay.
Which has better stuff.
I'm sure.
Like there was like a planner in one.
Yeah,
really
stuff like that.
pen.
A calendar, something that. Even though we got calendars on our phone, that's probably unnecessary.
But still, but if I'm in a meeting and I've just shut my laptop and somebody says something to me, I don't want to just open my laptop, log back in, click onto the app that I need to put in my calendar, type in what that person says. I have a notebook right there. I open it up, I write it down, and I can put it into my computer later.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, this box didn't work.
The box sucked.
Maybe next month you guys will get it better, and we can be honest about that one.
And if not, we put in a complaint. We want our third box money back. Period.
So in life, there's black and white, but with us, we always get a shade of gray. Bye, guys.